what's really brewing between Rajnikant and BJP? Well, a BJP delegation led by its National Secretary Arvind Menon called on actor Rajnikant at his residence in Chennai on Tuesday, and that sparked speculation about Rajnikant. Is he planning to join the BJP? Given that it is the season of new beginnings, but now there is some clarity that has emerged. Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nayanar Nagendran has himself clarified that Rajnikant is not associated with any political party, and according to him, he is not joining any party. The meeting was more of a courtesy call. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, that meeting of BJP leaders with Rajnikant sparked a lot of buzz, but now there is clarity. It was a courtesy call, but then what exactly was the focus?
Well, definitely after, BJP chief Nayanar Nagendran and senior BJP leaders like Arvind Menon met with superstar Rajnikant yesterday here at the latest Poise Garden residence, speculations were rife that, whether Rajnikant is considering a political entry or is he going to extend some kind of support to the BJP from outside. But today, Nayanar Nagendran has put a full stop to all these speculations, and he has told that the meeting was completely a courtesy meet. It was a courtesy call that the BJP leaders made with superstar Rajnikant, and Nayanar Nagendran has also went on to say that Rajnikant has no plans of any association with any political party, and in the future also Rajnikant will not be joining any political party, let alone the BJP, is what Nayanar Nagendran has told. In fact, a few days back, we saw a press note from the All India Rajnikant Fans Club, which requested the political parties and political movements to stop using his photos and his names. The press note from the All India Rajnikant Fans Club told that his name and his portrait should not be used by any political party or political movement. So that itself was considered as a message from Rajnikant that he is not inclined to any political party or any political ideology, any conventional political ideology. But since yesterday, since the BJP leaders met him, there were speculations that were floating around on social media. But today, Nayanar Nagendran has put a full stop to all these speculations, telling that the meet was completely a courtesy call and that politics was not discussed during that meeting, and Rajnikant has no plans of inclining himself with any political party.
Right. Dharini, request you to stay on with us because there's another important update we have got for our viewers from Tamil Nadu this afternoon. We have got to know that MDMK Chief Vaiko will be meeting Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Vijay, around 3 o'clock today. Yesterday, Adav Arjuna had met Vaiko, and that was a courtesy call amid speculations about MDMK breaking ties with DMK and perhaps joining the TVK alliance in the near future. Let me go back to Dharini for more on this. Dharini, what's really happening as far as MDMK is concerned? Is there a plan to join TVK?
Well, MDMK has called for a general body meet, very soon, and we are given to understand that during this general body meeting of the party, after seeking opinions and suggestions from the party's functionaries, they will be taking a final decision about whether to continue with the DMK alliance or not. But in the recent past, we've seen many indications of MDMK possibly breaking its ties with the DMK. In fact, earlier MDMK MP Durai Vaiko, he had told during a press conference that during the assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, the MDMK wanted to contest from its own symbol, but the DMK kept insisting that they should be contesting from its symbol, that is the rising sun symbol. So if not for the DMK's insistence, we would have contested from our own symbol, is what MDMK MP Durai Vaiko had told during a press conference earlier. So this was considered to be an indication that the party is in fact considering breaking ties with the DMK and probably joining Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. And remember, as soon as Vijay took charge as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he met a few of the prominent political figures here in Tamil Nadu, and Vaiko was one among them. Vijay went to Vaiko's house and he spent some 10 to 15 minutes there. So with all these things, in the backdrop, of course, many are believing that MDMK is all set to break its ties with
Right.
TVK, with the DMK, and joining hands with TVK.
All
And
right.
today, around 3 p.m. is when Vaiko will be having this courtesy meeting with the Chief Minister at
Right.
the Secretariat. Let's wait and see what he says after the meeting during the
All
press
right.
conference.
Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with those details. And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break on Southern Spice. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.